Hi, welcome to Salesforce Textbook. Our topic is sales email prompt template. In this session, we are going to discuss about what is sales email prompt template, what are the prerequisites to create sales email prompt template, how to create sales email prompt template with a use case, that is draft an introduction email for a contact. What is sales email prompt template? Sales email prompt template helps sales team to draft personalized email for customers like contacts or lead based on customer record data. Prerequisites to create sales email prompt template. To create sales email prompt template, we have to turn on sales email. Once we turn on, we can see sales email prompt template under prompt template types. Next, we have to check whether the user has Einstein sales email permission set or not. If the user don't have this permission set, then we have to enable this permission set. Now, we will see how to enable these prerequisites and how to create sales email prompt template practically. Let's go to our. To turn on sales email in quick find, search for Einstein for sales. Click on Einstein for sales. We have to turn on this toggle, turn on sales email. Next, we have to check whether the user has permission set or not. For that, in quick find, search for users. Click on users. Here I am selecting my user. Click on permission set assignment. Click on edit assignment and search for Einstein. Here Einstein sales email permission set is already enabled. If it is not enabled, then we have to add this permission set. Now we will see how to create the prompt template. For that, in quick find, search for prompt builder. Click on prompt builder. Click on new prompt template. Here in prompt template type, select sales email and give the prompt template name. I am giving draft an introduction email. Here under recipient, we can see only contact and lead. I am selecting contact. In related object, if you want, we can select the object. Now I am not selecting anything. Click on next. Now we will navigate to prompt builder. In prompt template workspace, we will give the prompt. I have already one prompt. Here we are giving the role to the LLM, that is you are an account executive named. Here we will give the sender name who want to send this email. To give the sender name, click on resource, click on sender and search for name. Select full name. Next we will give the sender company name. Sender, search for company name. Next we will give here your prospect means here our recipient, that is our customer. Give the customer name. Here our customer is contact. Click on resource, click on recipient and search for name. Select full name and give the recipient company. Here the contact company is account. So click on recipient and search for account. Click on account ID and select account name. Next here we are defining the goal. And here we will give the sender company name. Click on sender and search for company name. Select the company name. Next, we have given the instructions to generate the email. Here, if we want to add more fields dynamically, such as our company policies in the email body, then we can add by using dynamic grounding. This is the prompt template. Now we'll add model. Here I am selecting the model as OpenAI GPT-4 Omni Mini and select the recipient. Recipient means contact. I'm selecting Lara Rosie and select the preview language, English. Click on save and preview. Here in resolution, we can see you are an account executive and we can see the sender name, sender company, recipient name, here sender company name, and we can see the instructions. And in response, we can see the subject and email body. This is how we can create the sales email prompt template. To make this template available, click on activate. Now we will see how we can send this email to contact. For that, go to Sales app, select any contact, click on email. Here we can see draft with Einstein. Click on draft with Einstein. Click on use pre-made instructions. Here we can see standard email prompt templates and custom prompt template we have designed, that is draft and introduction email. Select draft and introduction email. Now Einstein is analyzing and it generates the email template. If we want, we can modify this email. Now click on done. Click on send. Now the email has sent to the contact. We can see the email here. Here we can see the sender name and into we can see the recipient name, and this is the email. This is how we can create the sales email prompt template. In the next session, we will discuss about service email prompt template. These are the reference links. Please go through those links. Please subscribe to Salesforce Textbook. Thank you.